I don't like celery. Tapos na celery, onion, Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, everybody. So, the other day, nagawa ko ng chicken salad. So, today, kasi nagustuhan ng among babae. So, marami na ang gagawin namin at some of them goes to her daughter na nagka-cancer din. Pero, ewan ko, basta may cancer. And, so, gagawa naman tayo. So, mamaya ulit. Yes.
I gotta get out of here.
Oh yeah, sorry Pat. Sorry Pat.
No, I didn't even know.
Sorry Pat, I forgot. Where you wanna sit?
Around the corner there.
Okay.
Oh yeah. He's been doing that.
After I slice, I come and put you in the machine, okay?
Okay.
My God, I forgot that she cannot be
Farther away, but it's
making
hushed up. The
chicken
room.
salad.
The room. Not.
Para may ma-post tayo sa YouTube. Tapos, kumakain pa ng lunch. It's already 2:30. Ang tagal nag-shopping eh. So, ngayon, I'm making salads. I have to get back. She's not supposed to be in the kitchen if the stove is open because she has that oxygen, so it's very dangerous, right babe? It's dangerous. Oh, I have to give her the phone.
Call from unavailable.
There's too many false calls.
I know.
We ignore them until the
Call
human
from
comes on.
unavailable. Call from unavailable.
It's like you have a call center here. Call center department.
That's Thursday. What guy? And I'm glad he's coming a couple days early.
So, nagawa ko ng chicken salad. Alam ko nang gawin kasi 45 minutes, that would be 2:30.
Okay.
I mean 3:30.
3:15 from 45.
Am I right?
12:30. 2:32 plus 45.
So, what time you want me to?
3:17.
3:17?
That's when your 45 minutes is up.
Okay.
I don't know what you asked me about it for.
No, because she said I can only cook the chicken for 45
Okay.
minutes once the boiling
okay.
start.
Yeah, I hear you.
But it's not boiling yet, so.
Okay. 46 degrees outside.
Iba siya magawa ng chicken salad na totally different. Dali natin makapag-post. I'm not a fan of celeries. I don't like celery. Celery. No game today, Dave?
Tonight, but I don't want to watch.
Who is it?
Two teams, I don't remember.
So. Celery talaga, guys. Tapos na celery, onions. At ito ang gagamitin natin, mayonnaise. And yung leftover ng chicken, i-mix natin. Ayan. At saka ang caregiver, nabili kong pizza yesterday. Initin natin. Tapos, mag-coffee tayo, not sponsored. Bigay lang to ng aking katrabaho. Ano siya? Amazing Slim Coffee Macchiato. Wow. Amazing Slim. Amazing Slim. As a caregiver, you don't know kung anong oras ka kakain. Hindi talaga natin alam. But, iinit ko yung pizza. You okay, Dave? Not that much people in Jewel.
Sorry. No, it wasn't too bad. I didn't lose
Kain
the
tayo ng
list.
pizza. Congratulations!
Yeah, that's right. So I said, your name was up there anyway. It shows up instead of telling you something that wasn't even meant for you.
I
At
didn't
least
even
now
see it. You
says something
texted
about
me.
Lists.
Oh, you did? Oh, congrats.
That's pretty funny.
Yeah. Yeah. It's not boiling yet. I'll start the 45 minutes if it start boiling.
You're right.
It's not boiling yet.
It's got to be 200 plus.
It has to boil before I can start the 45 minutes. I'm just gonna... Collagen ni siya. Pangkagwapa. Muna si ate. Sa isinta na kapin pero good skin. So mag-try tayo ng order sa black coffee sa barley. In fairness, hindi ko alam. Ayaw ko dito kasi may bacon. My boss is done. Ang gutom nga caregiver. It's cold outside, Dave, no? It's getting cold.
I didn't notice it that much because the wind must not be there, and
Oh, okay.
it was
It's
45 or 46. They're just showing on the
Oh, it's not windy.
smartphone.
It was windy when I came back, when I came here to work.
It can change. I'll fall asleep after I eat too much.
Tapos, may butsi-butsi kanina. Galing sa fiesta sa Manukan. I think this one. Dave, you wanna eat this, Dave? Dessert. Try it.
I don't know what it is.
It's like a donut.
Is it nutty? I don't see any nuts.
I don't think there's nuts.
Oh, it looks
No.
like, oh,
Don't worry, I clean up the floor.
not the floor. I'm worried about missing that delicious.
Oh,
Yeah, that's pretty silly. You're right. A little did hit the floor.
don't worry.
That I couldn't get that. It's so tiny. I hear a voice.
Hindi siya tamis.
Yeah, that's better than any donut.
Hindi kung sa ihungit ni mo niya kaon dyan siya. Basta tamis. Yang kwarto dahan kayong chocolate. Babaw sa ref o. Chocolate. Sulod sa ref. Tamis. Trivia guys. Gusto ko tong crust na to dito. And sa pizza. I love them. You okay?
Yep. I just make a lot of noises.
Do you like?
That's what you were talking about, right?
Don't worry.
That's my exercise.
Oh, do you like it?
I'm not going to eat it. Yes, I like it. I thought you were going to say, don't eat it. You don't even have to say that's
No, what I
dirty.
mean is the what
Yeah,
I
that's
need.
good. Now, that violates your chocolate rule you were telling me about.
What is your
before.
height? Your height?
6'2".
My God,
I
6'2".
just shrunk a little. Oh, I hear some sounds.
He's 6'2" and he can
She-
bend.
she-
You're that tall, but you can bend. I cannot. I cannot bend.
Oh, okay.
I cannot. My knee is bad shape.
Yeah,
I
whenever
cannot.
they get a hold of me, that's what Shirley Ryan Ability Lab is supposed to help work out.
I thought you're
Then
going. So, grapes for the chicken salad. Chicken salad.
It's between 5 and 6 o'clock in the morning in the Philippines.
5:08.
Okay,
Wow, you're really good.
14 hours.
Oh. This is a good grapes, babe. It's sweet.
Yeah, it worked out.
It's very sweet.
I'll press 23 seconds. It's Michael Jordan's numbers.
Yeah.
It's also about 20.
You know,
So that's
I've been to his restaurant in downtown,
Yeah,
the steakhouse.
yeah, I forgot about that.
It's not cheap. Very expensive.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Yeah.
Nick Ditkus was out at
The
Route 83 near Oak Brook.
Michael Jordan's Delmonico steak, $52.
Yeah.
I took my mom there. I took my kids there. And we went to his house too. Now, only in the gate.
We could eat.
With a picture of number 23 in the gate.
We could eat for a good part of a month on that money that probably cost. But it's a special occasion. So.
There's an owner already. Somebody bought it already.
Yeah, now, right, from the past.
Linis din tayo guys. Tapos na siyang mag-lunch. Did you buy a lottery ticket today?
We had, no, I do on occasion.
Oh.
If there's somebody there, I'll say, no, skip it. We didn't have. The winning, the Powerball, and if you just get only that, you do get something.
Yeah.
And it was 23, Michael Jordan's number, but the number that came up was 21.
Ah.
I think it's 1 to 25 in the
Mm-hmm.
Powerball thing. So close doesn't pay anything. It makes you feel good or not good,
Yeah.
depending on how you look at it. I'm going to look out, set this down. I'll mix the coffee with later.
Yeah.
Full strength and decaf. We mix our own. They don't always have perfect balance.
6 to. Nano pa, kabend pa ako. Hindi na ako makabend. Sakit na ng tuhod yung Minolvi. Ito na guys. Slice ko na grapes. So, green onions. Ito lang ang ingredients ng chicken salad. The only thing I have to grind this chicken breast, boneless chicken. So
I'm right behind you.
yeah. I'm using the one that we cooked the other day.
Yeah.
Then I put the new cook there, like you asked. What's for dinner tonight?
Yes.
Chicken?
Yep.
What about him?
I have to rest.
Yeah, take your time.
Oh, gee.
Take your time.
That's gonna start. Yep.
It's very easy now.
Yeah.
Like before, it's hard. Maybe I just have to get used to it. Then we can share more to Sharon.
Better put that in the bowl now.
Oh yeah, it's here. It's ready. Wow. Okay. Oh, so would you marry?
That's gonna fall out of there. That board's gonna fall out of the cover.
Okay, more chicken.
Did it boil 40 minutes or longer?
40 minutes because I asked Dave what time you want me to
Oh,
get it out. So he said get it out 3:45. So I did. We count right after it was boiling. So the other day that was the longest, but this one,
yeah.
because I didn't know that. And I didn't even ask you.
Were these chicken breasts as big as yesterday?
They're the
Or were they
same.
smaller?
They're same.
They're bigger or the... If any tired is a good tired Mary.
Because some people, they would say, I'm tired, but they don't do nothing.
Oh,
But yours, you're tired because you did a lot of exercise today. And so, mix the onion, right? First.
onions, celery.
And then
Great.
celery. Celery. And our favorite grapes. So, to mix the you want me to finish this?
How much is in there?
It's only a little bit.
Is that the whole?
That's, yep.
Oh, let's see how much it is in the... Mix what's in there now before you put any more.
Okay. Mix, mix, mix. Mekos, mekos.
Do we have any more mayonnaise?
Yeah. Oh,
That's it?
that's it, mayonnaise. Because you only buy the old one we used it the other day. So he only buy this one.
You only bought that one.
Mm-mm.
We might need another one.
Yeah, I think so too. Mekos. Chicken salad. Pat's recipe. Oh.
David?
Dave? Oh no, take your time. He said I'm slow. It's dry, but it really needs more.
It's really dry.
Dry.
I was actually getting up.
We need you to run a really quick trip. We need a thing of mayonnaise to finish our dish.
Oh, we had mayonnaise. You must have been
We
going
used
through a
it.
lot.
This one, yeah.
We would have got it
Just
if
go
it
buy
had,
it at Jewel.
we would have got it had we known.
Yeah, I don't know that's
You didn't know you were out.
I mean, I didn't know that it's
Would
not
take that
enough.
much.
Because it's a big,
Oh, I see. The volume was higher.
it's the big jar. Nagawa tayo ng chicken salad. Kasi malapit na rin dinner. So, init lang ako ng tomato bisque na nasa can. So, yun na talaga. Iba talaga ang ano. Kailangan natin seryosohin. May kulang yung mayonnaise. So, umalis yung asawa. Umalis yung husband. Nagpunta ng store para pumili ng mayonnaise. Alam ko pagod na yun. Pero wala siyang choice. Alam mo naman yung mga lalaki under sa asawa. Kasi mag-drive ng asawa. So, ang husband ang magawa ng mga ganyang lakad, diba? So, kasi nga paborito niya lalo yung chicken salad. Lunch at dinner. Chicken salad. So, naswertian ako guys kasi ang amo ko mga simple lang yung ginagawa ng trabaho. Tapos yung kapatid, super daming pagkain para sa dinner. So, yung ginawa kong chicken salad 2 days ago. Ito na yung naiwan. So, sabi niya, damihan ko raw yung sa kanya. So, ito na. Sobrang dami na talaga. Iwan ko kung hindi ko ba enough to. Iwan ko. So, ayan. Ayan na guys. Bulubundukin na chicken salad. Tapos yung sa asawa niya, 2 slices of bread. So, hindi ko rin alam kung gusto niyang kapalan or what. Because he has a hard time swallowing yung asawa. So, ito din ang ginagawa ko kaninang lunch. I-slice ko lang para easy sa asawa na sa husband. Ready na siya for dinner. For dinner. Kasi maliit na lang din ang naiwan. So, ilipat natin sa maliit na container. Yan. Diba? Yan ang story ng pagiging caregiver. Yan. Talagang magluto, maghugas. Lahat ka rin nagawa sa bahay mo. Diba? Kasi, yes! Coming! Tumawag siya. Wala ka talagang privacy. Tapos na siya nag-inabilize eh. Ano? Pabalik-balik lang din ang routine. It's not hard. Yun lang. 12 hours. It's a very long day. Sabi nila, ilipin. Iwan ko lang. Nalilaan ba ito? Kasi ang matanda. Ang tagal na tulog. Tapos, nagsipat na siya. Madaling araw. Yeah. Yep. Yeah. Okay. I remember. So next Sunday, alas 5 ako alis. Kasi mag-early dinner kami ng family. Kasi ang aming Mother Earth mag-uwi ng Pilipinas. So, kami ang mag-adjust sa kanya. Diba? She's living her good life. And she's so lucky. So, hintayin lang natin yung husband. So, tapos na ang ating tomato. Init lang talaga dito, guys. Yung breakfast lang talaga na kailangan kong magluto. Kasi egg eh. Diba? So, ayan. Ready na ang kanilang tomato bisque. Tapos, hugas na naman. Walang katapos ang hugas to, guys. After cooking, hugas, hindi ko ganahan. Ang dalang hugasin. Ngayon time. Ay, hindi. Totoo talaga. Good luck pagkanda. Kasi, masama raw magluto tapos maghugas agad. Paano yan? Kailangan maghintay ako ng isang oras. Pinaghintay ang mga trabaho. Hindi, pwede yan. Kailangan. Ayok na umalis dito sa trabaho na may maiiwan. Kailangan malinis. Pulido ang linis. Tapos, i-dry natin para ilagay sa lagyanan. Ayoko na maghihintay pa ng ano-ano. Eh. Ganito talaga ako, guys. Hindi ko lang ginagawa ito sa Pilipinas. I have to tell the truth. Kasi nga, ginagawa ko na dito sa Amerika. Tapos, yun pa rin ang gagawin ko sa Pilipinas. Napaka-unfair naman yun. Kaya, doon niya talaga ako sa Pilipinas. Hindi doon niya na may pera, ha? Doon niya ako sa trabaho. Kasi hindi na ko, kahit nga paggawa ng kape, asawa ko eh. Nakikita niyo naman yun. Pag uminom ako ng tubig, di ba nakita niyo na rin yun? Asawa ko rin ang nagbigay. Di ba? Nag-ring na naman. Parang call center tong bahay na to, guys. All day talaga.
Call
Mag-ring talaga.
from Forest IFL.
All day talaga siyang mag-rings.
Call from Forest IFL. Call from Forest IFL.
246-405, area code 708.
So, telemarketers talaga kasi hindi nag-iwan ng number. Walang magsalita lang yun sila pag makausap nila ang may-ari ng bahay. At pag walang sumagot, yun. Continue tayo. We'll add more mayonnaise. But I'll show you, Pat, if, you know,
Alright.
before I can add more yun.
Yeah, without
It's
wind,
not a
this was
sponsor.
okay. Oh yeah, yeah. Must have had some change.
I wish I would
Yeah, never mind that.
not stand
Did
at
you
the
show me-
top of the stairs.
Oh, you
Shut
get
the
nervous.
door behind.
You get nervous. Now I know.
Oh, I don't want you
That's
to
okay.
fall.
Oh, you don't? I fell for you 65 years ago. More than that. Yeah. Yeah, because
Mekos, mekos.
I went to reach back, I couldn't, there wouldn't be anything there. And boom. You guys had to take both of you to pick me up.
We couldn't.
Pick you up where?
Off the floor.
Off the floor when I fell all the way down on my head.
You better not. I cannot carry you.
One guy, this didn't happen before.
Can you imagine? I cannot imagine myself
Yeah, no.
picking you up.
He was, and that's okay, but he spent time giving me a religious talk.
Oh,
So then I had to, unfortunately, I told him I was King David, and then he had to get on that too. And,
Huh.
oh my God.
so you're gonna be eating 1 week, 2 weeks?
I'm a,
Well, we're sharing, of course.
yes.
Yeah, we're giving to Sherry. So good enough.
Pass the taste test.
Yep.
Right, I'm coming up.
Okay. It's finished. That's it for today.
Usually I put the keys where they belong. I left them on the PC console, but it didn't take me but a couple seconds.
What is
So this is the goes to the refrigerator. Yun lang guys, thanks for watching. Bye. So nakita niyo naman dun sa Pilipinas. Lahat. Nilagay na lang sa aking harapan. Yun na talaga. Kaya sabi ko sa sawa ko, ayoko nang magkalayo kami. Kasi walang gagawa ng aking kape. Walang magbibigay ng tubig. Walang lahat. Yan. So, yun ang story ng inyong caregiver dito sa Amerika. Kaya, kung magkano man yung essence sa inyo, na inyong pamilya na galing sa Amerika, kung saan man sa abroad, value every penny. Kasi, isa pera at saka sa homesick. Lalo na ngayong Pasko na hindi makauwi si Minolby. Hirap kaya. Nandito na. Yes, nandito yung ibang pamilya ko, kapatid ko, anak ko. Pero mas masaya sa Philippines. Only in the Philippines, ma-feel natin ang Christmas. Pero sa US, guys, they're busy going shopping, buying gifts for family, at saka mga expensive na mga luto na hindi naman mauubos. At least dyan sa Pilipinas, pag mag-prepare tayo ng food, maraming makabring house. Sharon, di ba? Pero dito, kahit ipa-Sharon pa, ayong dalhin kasi walang kakain. Di ba opposite? Ay, nako. That's it for now, guys. Hintayin ko lang yung husband ng aking amo. Kasi siya ang nagpili ng mayonnaise. At saka, kasi nga lagi akong nagwa-washing, magdadry ang ating mga kamay. Diba talaga akong lotions. Hala, nauta. Nadaghan nun ako. Lotion talaga. Ayaw natin yung mga husband natin pag nag-holding hands, napaka-rough. Ang ganyan. Kailangan smooth ang ating mga skin. Kaartihan. My God. So, bye for now. Later.